Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are in our resource right here that is available to you all. And essentially, what we are going to do today is we are going to create an awesome landing page. Now, I have it ready for you all, and it's in that resource, but we're going to do it side by side, piece by piece, together. We're going to learn a bunch of different things. We're going to learn how to use text layers properly within a design. We're going to learn how to use imagery. We're going to create some shapes. We're also going to use things like frames, groups, and constraints. We'll also use auto layout frames for general layout and UI element creation. And what you're going to need is the resource file. You're going to need a couple of different plugins. I'll show those to you right now. You're going to need the Lorem Ipsum plugin, which I will provide for you. So this is what it looks like. I'll provide a link for you. And you will need the Unsplash plugin, which I will provide for you as well. And that is all. So let's jump right in and start creating this landing page.